Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about this beautiful mobile application called Anybooks. Now, I am not here to argue what platform or what operating system is better, between the iOS and the Android operating systems, but I want to state clearly that I use the Android operating system, and so far it has been very good, very useful to me. Now, when you come to Play Store, you can find this. Just type Anybooks, full free download offline. Now, the thing about this book is that, mostly in Nigeria, we have issues of, okay, let me not go down the road. Let me just state clearly that you could use this application um, with without your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. It is completely offline, and it is a wonderful, wonderful application. Now, this is the latest update, and today, since we're on this application on this tutorial, I would give it my 5 stars and then rate it, this app, and I'm really, really excited about it. Now, okay. Now, let's just go to the application so I would say what you'd be enjoying when you make use of it. So, follow me. This is the interface. Anywhere, anytime, any book. Now, this application has millions of books. I think it has about a million books online you could search. And this is my library. You can see I like to read a lot of things, like this is human rights, sexuality, and socialism. You know, knowledge doesn't really hurt people. You know, there is a lot of things you would need to know. So this is what my library looks like. This is about hustle. And then when you go down, you discover I have more of productivity and motivational related books. See, 48 laws of power. Now, I want to state clearly that this application, sorry, is one of the best apps I've used so far on my phone. I know there are some other similar apps, I've seen them, but I haven't really enjoyed them like I enjoyed this, because this kind of brings everything all in one place, and it is absolutely free. And so far that I've seen, and I've used this for like 2 years, and I've not been prompted to pay anything for it. So when you're on the application interface, it might be empty. This part bookshelf might be empty because you just downloaded it, but you could easily just click on there's a library here, and then it will open up the section for you where you can check. There are books on different categories you could select, but in case you don't find anything you want on the page, on the home page, you could just easily just click here and then search for whatever it is you want. So in this case, this was when I was looking for human rights. Just search for this Americana. Oh yeah, I've been wanting to read this. So just click on the book, and then when you click on it, see, you could just go ahead and start reading, or you could. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention you have to be connected to do all these, and then you could download it like I am doing now. Now, when you're done downloading it, you can open it when you're offline, and you can read it, and it will still store your progress. Like every time you come back to read, it will take you back to where you stopped. So just look at this app. It's really, really very, very beautiful. Look at it. This is Americana. I'll be working on soon. So this is really cool. I really like it. I like the way it displays. The app, the ads don't really disturb me much, because they're not really intrusive. They don't have any pop-up features. They're just somewhere below. You understand? So, and then you see how it is. It's really easy for you to just read, and enjoy your reading. See how it is. It's really cool. Now, you could still search for more, whatever it is you want to search for. It's on the application, and you find it. Oh, look up. You go through this, and then before we go very quickly, there's this part here that says Turi. This part is absolutely wonderful for people who want to dive into writing. It gives you this feature to just type. Most people want to sit down and just pen down the ideas, but they don't really have the chance. But this application gives you that very flexibility. You could just sit maybe in the bus, you're traveling or you're going somewhere, you just write the parts of the book. I think this is absolutely beautiful for people who like to take notes when they write. I don't like taking notes with this app specifically, but I'm sure to be useful. I use my own note pad that comes with the phone. So this is all about Anybooks. If you would like to, be writing on this platform, you could. I forgot to mention you can also publish here. And then these are the instructions on how to go about it. And then here just displays your profile, your preferences, your settings and stuff. You can adjust things here. Just and this part that I haven't explored really, the games part. There's a game section of the application. Sorry, my recorder. Yeah, this is it. You can have access to quite a number of games. Whenever you're reading, you're bored, you just open the games section and just be entertained. Now, this tutorial is totally free. I don't know. It's not a paid ad. I just felt this application is very useful for me and might be very useful for other people out there. So I decided to make this tutorial. So thank you very much for watching. And then I hope you would try out the application. And then I hope it's useful for you. Thank you. And then see you some other time. Bye.